How to run JavaScript on Visual Studio Code. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to run JavaScript code on Visual Studio Code. So without further ado, let's dive in first to our Google in order for us to understand how this JavaScript will be run on Visual Studio Code. So let's go to Google. Let's type in run JavaScript on Visual Studio Code. So right here, we will read first an article on how this thing works. So you don't want to just accept all the cookies right there. And upon checking right here, and by the way guys, Visual Studio Code is a popular code editor that supports various programming languages, including JavaScript. So if you're looking to write and execute JavaScript code efficiently, Visual Studio Code is a great choice. And in this tutorial, we'll show you how we could add this to our Visual Studio Code. So here, run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. For example, a script file containing this hello world right here. And by the way guys, let's go to our install the code runner extension. And if you're a programmer, you could understand this easily and without any problem. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. Open up your Visual Studio Code, and if you don't have one, just install. And once you're in here, go to this extension part on the left side. Click on extension part. So search for an extension in Marketplace. So let's try to type in JavaScript. So here there are lots of extensions for JavaScript. We have JavaScript Lite Formatter, JavaScript Lite, Script Commands, JavaScript Plus, JavaScript or init node script right here. So let's try to add this script commands or this init script. If you want to add this extension to your computer, you have to install it just like this. It's now installing, and let's wait for it to install, and now it's installed. So here, for the usage, create a .js or TS file, type init node script to use the snippet. So just like this one, it has a quick overview of how you could do init node script. And again, let's try this JavaScript Lite. So let's click on install. While installing, here are the details on how you could use this, but this is in another language. So let's try this script commands. Right here, as you can see, is script commands, and it has a instruction on how to use it. And that's it guys. It's on our tutorial on how to run JavaScript code on Visual Studio Code. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to write and execute JavaScript code efficiently using Visual Studio Code. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, and if you did guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.